So really quickly, I just wanted to show you guys how to attach the wings because I know it can be a little bit confusing. The first thing I'm going to do here is just make 6 single crochet, and I'm working on round 4. So to attach the wing, I've done my 6 single crochet and I have the pretty side of my body facing up. And then I'm going to take my wing with the embroidered side here facing up and line up just the little end of the wing, the top of the wing here, with these next 3 stitches on the body. And then to attach this, I'm going to go through 2 parts on this dark green part of the wing here, and then 1 stitch through here. So I'm going to do 3 single crochet through both of these pieces here to connect them. So for this first one, I'm just going to grab a stitch from the top of the wing and then go through the next stitch on my body, and there's 1. And then again, go through another place on the top of the wing and into the next stitch of the body, there's 2. And then for my 3rd single crochet, I'm just going to go into the side of this scallop here, and again through the body, and there's 3. And then I'm going to grab my other wing and do the same thing but in reverse. So I just have my other wing lined up here, it's facing upwards the same direction. And I'm going to do my first stitch through the scallop on this wing. And then my next 2, I'm just going to grab a stitch from the top part of the wing here with the dark green. Go through the body as well. There's 2, and then 1 more time through the top of the wing here. And there's my 3rd stitch. And then I'm just going to finish off this round with another 6 single crochet. And then for the next round, I'm going to start by doing 3 single crochet and then 2 increase stitches 3 times. So 1, 2, and 3 single crochet, and then 2 increase stitches. And then I'm going to repeat that again 2 more times on my body. And then just finish off the round with 3 single crochet. And then for this next round, I'm going to start by making 2 single crochet and then a decrease stitch just once. So 1 and 2 single crochet and then a decrease stitch. And then I'm going to make another 2 single crochet. And then I'm going to make 2 increase stitches. So there's 1 and 2. And then I'm going to make another decrease stitch. And then in this next stitch, I'm going to go through the wing and the next stitch at the same time and just make a single crochet. So let me kind of show you what I'm going for here. So this is the top of my body and these are my wings, but I want my wings to be facing like forward so that when we sew on the head, the wings are facing forward. So what this stitch is going to do is just bring that wing forward a little bit. So when I make this stitch, I'm going to go into about this second scallop here, just a stitch from there, grab it, and then go into the next stitch on the body and make a single crochet, just like that. And then I'm going to continue with the round, which the next 2 stitches are 2 increase stitches. So there's 1 increase and 2 increases. And then again, we're going to go through the next stitch is going to be a single crochet through the wing and the body. So I'm going to fold this upwards like so, go through a stitch from the second scallop, and then go through a stitch on the body and make my single crochet. Perfect. And then I'm just going to continue on to finish the round. So the next stitch of this round is a decrease stitch. So I'm going to make a decrease stitch. And then these 2 stitches, I'm going to make 2 increase stitches. So there's 1 and 2. And then to finish off the round, I'm just going to make 2 single crochet and then a decrease stitch and then another 2 single crochet. Ignore my stitch count. It's a little bit off because the only reason I made this was to make this video, but do as I say, not as I do. Okay, so now you can see if we are looking at the front of the body right here and we attach our head onto here, the wings will be facing forward and there was no sewing required. So I just wanted to show you how to do that because I know it's definitely a little bit confusing. But then you'll just go ahead and continue the pattern as it's written, and feel free to reach out to me on Etsy or Instagram if you ever have any questions. I hope this was helpful.